IDP being protest salui haira atumni thakta shim hanung semkhavai demand sahira. Ukhrul District li khuiru phanit enang soda honey production expo rongmi khawai ngaran haira. Halelo Tangkhul Express Pvt Pao Ringyaophi mahak Ningshen ina pamidari. Paobing mesaina nanang romsa. Relief camp li Paobing Western Gangla Gate kala PT flyover azingli protest sada thumli thakta shimhanung semkhavai demand sahira. Meeting display salaga sangai festival kamayon wuivang protest kasano pingjina shorkar li makhamya Shokvao. Aya we protest Jili Jurajanpur, Gangbokpi, Imphal West kala Imphal East District we IDP pingna shurukuya. Displays Lives Matter Yaruina Sangai Festival Mamaya Mana Mashun Kamina Rilu Tourism Naulu kala itumui fundamental rights laying a circle da protesters pingna placards jitheng roka. Atum na Raj Bhavan Shong Khawai kasali security personnel na Kangla Gate ngalemne kamhawa. Now datum Uripok area li demonstration vasaluya. Jurajanpur district we IDP irom abung meitei nagahang displays shim kurping malung kharing matai ka sang in a protest ji kharana. Normalcy claims sada sangai festival sadaleka displays mibing we gachot kachangwa yangkhei mi hawada maringa pha shoka. Itum we shim ramli mong sakrang lakhain tangda relief camp mahanung marada tahaira. Atum we protest maling me barada hangmatin haira. Ukhrul District li khuiru phanit honey festival lainang soda honey production expo zemikshok khani thang wuivang rungmira da jisha thaira. Phanit ji khayon kachang hui direct thrada phanga kala thrada thruk thang Ukhrul TRDA holy rungmira. Angranangi ji development for rural people TRP na ngaran khamina. TRP na secretary Ningrengam kashungna mikashok chanpao thishuda khuiru phanichi how kapok angran angili Horticultural and Soil Conservation Commissioner IAS Thai Tuilung Panmei na masawa samira. Kup kasang angran angili Ukhrul DC IAS Ashishtas na masawa samira. Ukhrul District we entrepreneurs ping societies self-help grouping kala ruchum now saigorona honey festival come honey production expo jidi खराजंग में खवाए मखोक में ना ngot हायरा
यार ऐसा क्या है इसमें जो हमारे सीमेंट में नहीं
इसमें माइक्रोफाइबर है
माइक्रोफाइबर यानी जो
दीवारों को रखे अंदर से मजबूत
हमारे सीमेंट में नहीं है
पूरे देश के किसी सीमेंट में नहीं है
सालों की रिसर्च और सबसे आधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी से बनी है ड्यूरागार्ड माइक्रोफाइबर सीमेंट जिसकी पेटेंटेड फाइबर युक्त टेक्नोलॉजी दे आपके घर को सालों की जबरदस्त पकड़ ड्यूरागार्ड सीधी बात है ड्यूरागार्ड खास है
मणिपुर ले पैलिएटिव केयर मथामे खवाई निंग्रिनेना Pelegon 2025 rungmi haira. Public Health Mathame Khawai Khangasun Conference Chile Matailak ena Scientific Exchange Training kala Community Focus Practice ena Palliative Care Mathakame Khwira Khawai ngasan haira. Kazib jing a pay tarik magada kanina katumtang Chenims Auditorium li pamda expert Shatruk Langda Vazangachi. Kazib Chile Premier National kala International Institution AIIMS New Delhi JIPMER Puducherry kala Global Specialist pingna ungzangachi. Conference Tree National Program of Palliative Care na Health Mission Manipur ina Palliative Care Society Imphal we atingli makok kamina. Scientific Subcommittee we co-chairperson sada Y Bremchandra Singh na Academic Direction Than kala L Tilakeshwari Devi na Pelegon 2025 we go-chair saya. Ngapay tarik magada matithak Manipur na Northeast we career structured pre-event championship workshop rungmida khamataiya phaikar kakhui sampanga. State Palliative Care Cell nam khokmida Institute of Palliative Medicine Calicut kala NHS UK we experts janglaga grief support khami maramli hangjithaira. Masowo and Himanda Kumar, Director of Health Service Manipur na Jishat Khamyati Shuda, Manipur State Palliative Care Policy Masangla Semhaura. Kalachina Lumashan, Leishi Gatei People Centered Statewide Framework Shonza with Pekar, Kakwinga Sara the Hanga. Leiret Makanda Nishari Lake Asano na Gachi Mikanili Assam Rifle na Tukwihaira. Myanmar origin Chirup Kala, foreign origin Zamla Tukwihaira. Nishariji lupa lak hangjishat shikawai manna da hanga. What yurji Yangong Pung Tengnopali Kari Kanili Pungzat Kasa Guptang Special Operation Li Tukakhuina da official na aya matang hanga. And these social elements lay sakhavai zadda legaji Myanmar Lairet Shongwi aina intelligence pau samphangda Assam Rifle na vulnerable location li ngasharlak aina legasanaji. Kariji Yangopung check post li tukakhuina. Moria wi aina Imphal Vaukida NH102 li zat kasana. Ningmong da air personal na search kasali Myanmar Chirup cartoon makku kala zamyur ngadatay da samphanga. Kariji Thauzat Kasami Khani Jili Tukwida Watji Kwimi Gahaina. Assam Rifle Press Champao Tishuta Tukwi Gahai smugglers what Yurkala Kari Khani legal proceedings wuivang More Police Station Li Misanghaira. Police Pao Tishuta Tukwi Gahai drivers Khani Jili Raga Kro Hopokhaira Kala Nishari Laysak Network Li Gazang Mika Daily Majut Khuikhavai Sadali. Ka security maram wuivang nada Tukwi Gahai Mi Khani Jiwi Ami Mapong Mitua. Bharat Scouts and Guides we hang Katuruka anniversary kamyone ng soda Trada Kachiko National Jamboree Lucknow Uttar Pradesh li Ringyaophi. Ang ranangi chili President of India Draupadi Murmu labazanga. Ang ranangi chili Mizoram Chief Minister Laldu Homali Silver Elephant Award mihaira. Ji Bharat Scout and Guides we jumitwi kachi National Machutna. Silver Elephant Award semkhavai CM Laldu Homana Movement Jili Exceptional Service Kami wuivang nachi. Chief Minister Jina Silver Elephant Award semkhavai Personal Achievement Maningla Mizoram Yari Rinwi Spirit Kalam Service Majut semkhavai saya dahanga. National Award Committee li Ningashi Pongshokta Kanutot wi Ning semkhamili Shirukakui Scout Leaders Volunteers Mentors Bingli Laldu Homana Mayakangai Pongshoka. Chief Minister Jinagahang Scout and Guides Movement hina discipline, self-reliance, service, leadership kala character building li sakta kahai India na darkar sala kahai akana. Mizoram na movement jili katom mara kaji hangda state jiwi worshipping yari kala shorkar na youth development maling semkhavai kasa la khanuitot semkhavai katom jawa kaji CM jina pongshoka. Silver Elephant Award semkhavai Mizoram ina Chief Minister jina Kajishadana Dahanga. Parliament session wuivang shorkar na political parties kathana pingli masobam haira. Gazip Jili Union Ministers being political parties tumrada thurukwi kathana ping hangphangà kada wazanga. Union Minister of Defense Rajnath Singh nathanda political parties kathana ping jiwi Gazip Aya Parliament House Complex New Delhi lipama. Gazip ji matailagay na achikumay Parliament C session maramdi nga semkhavai Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Monetary Affairs Kiren Rijiju na khangahot Parliament Winter Session 2025 achikayon tarik akha tanghapokra kachi Minister of Parliamentary Affairs na chishathaira. Session ji kachang hiwi tarik thrada chiko thang kupsang radali. C session hili Gazip thrada phanga simiksho thrada chiko welungli pamgi kachina. Rijiju nakahang session hili legislative kala business kate maram thrada mati khuiraradli. Minister of Parliamentary Affairs na Hatha lahanga kacha houses ayin athishurta kan khana maram katelenga sanpaya. Itum nathai pai opposition na ajawi session hili electoral roll special intensive revision SIR maram khuika phalungra kata sengdale. Shokar Janbao Mikashok Athei Shurda 2025 Parliament Winter Session Hili Kwika Khamarao Bills Radha Matiji, Legislative Business Willi, the Jan Vishwas Amendment of Provision Bill 2025, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy God Amendment Bill 2025, the Manipur Goods and Service Tax Second Amendment Bill 2025 to replace an ordinance, the Rebuilding and Amending Bill 2025, the National Highways Amendment Bill 2025, the Atomic Energy Bill 2025, the Corporate Law Amendment Bill 2025, the Securities Market God Bill SMC 2025, the Insurance Laws Amendment Bill 2025, the Arbitrations and Conciliations Amendment Bill 2025, the Higher Education Commission of India Bill 2025, the Central Excise Amendment Bill 2025, the Health Security National Security Cess Bill 2025, Financial Business Week 2025 to 26 with supplementary demands for grant we batch kareng sara. Kala chili khangasun appropriation bill kwikara da PIB li pau mi shoka. Kakhanin Northeast Para Sports Meet 2025 li Manipur na maikhaya sampanghair. Ngahan Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium Nalabara Road Saru Sarajai Guwahati li ajahon tarik magada shini na haupokta aya kupsanga. Chili Manipur we para athletes na mathalak ina pasahaira. Manipur conditions na medals rada khani sampanghaira. Chili Sina t-shirt silver aka kala bronze kathum zanga. Manipur to shot we sa kaza ina paisa kasak lailala state hina mi thrada mati kazang team Jehovah. Chile para athletes shini officials phanga escort khani zanga. Ngahan Chile Manipur with outstanding performance Khwairakpam Joy Kumar Singh Willie Thekuya. Ana F12 category gold phanga sampanga Khwairakpam Joy Kumar Singh na shot put, discus throw, javelin throw, 100 meter kala 200 meter li sina mohor sampangaira. Northeast Para Sports Meet Kharez Sada Wagazang Naurem Janjan Devina 400 meters kala shot put events li gold, long jump li bronze medal sampangan. Category F 46 to 47 li defending champion Muhammad Bahodin na 400 meter li gold medal aka, 200 meters li silver medals, 100 meter li bronze medal sampangan. Hirom Manoj Singh na shot put F40 to 41 li bronze, Naurem Soromendro Singh na badminton single li bronze sampangan. Chief Demission Dr. Kiran Yendrembam Nagahang Manipur to shot wuivang ina athletes ping ji kasak taràkha sampanghawa. Atum ngahan jili wazang khawai Imphal we na Guwahati khawa flight aman sakna ka highway kasakla sampanga. Kasakahap sampanga hygiene championship ngasa khawai Manipur we overall chances li sazahawa da chief demission hang. Regional Institute of Medical Science Streams Imphal na Swachhta Health Camp rung mihaira. Camp Ji Manipur State Pensioners Union Building Pishum Thong Imphal Wesley Swachhta Action Plan SAP 2025 to 26 azingli rung kamina. Ang ran ang Ji Manipur State Pensioner Union ling ashikta ngaran kamina. 2025 to 26 Kaya Kalp Rims SAP with Nodal Officers Department of Physiology with Professor Y. Govindaraj Singh Nathanmia. Department of Medicine, Orthopedics, Respiratory Medicine, ENT, Ophthalmology, Physiology, kala community medicines with doctor, nurses, kala healthcare professionals ping na yang sangmia. Camps Chile pensioners kala Karnao pingli medical service ngadaday dat mihaira. Ang ranangi jiwe kapha mi hangshini na sampanga. Chile wagazang saigorole khalemay na ari yaw miyachi. Yarina Professor Y. Govindaraj Singh li health related maram nga san kakui sampanga. Ang ranangi jiwe Manipur State Pensioners Union with General Secretary Purochit Layangpam na Rimsti Ningashi Pongshokta Rakhara Damlila Yari Wuivang Phakhavai Paikar Kakwe Ngashik Khangai Pongshoka. Jandel Naga People's Organization CNB on a Jandel SP Likapen Maramdi Anal Naka Tangbi NTN Makamyang of Auhairam. Jandel with Superintendent of Police IPS Dharmendra Kumar na lupa kaza kala oting root kakwili makamusyong laya kachi kapen ali otpa muena kwitui mikawai Jandel Naga People's Organization na ajahon tarik magada jishatan kapishoka. Chiling han kata NTA na tar kami kashokli kahang CNBO na penda kaleji tangbi jina magatom mana. CNBO na SP jili penda khalei chiwe kachanga shongchon mami manada ANT na hanga kala SP Dharmendra Gumar na yang kasanga jingni district jili pobi lui khalei sashiman nishari le kasali khamkhui kala illegal otsak na tatei da suida haira da ANT na hanga khawai makhalei Kapien Masala District ji Mathamai Khawai Kasali Officer Jili Kadomki Kachina the organization Jina Hanga SP Jina Awadamli Yarui in a healthy relationship Haya Kachila AND and Hangsanga Officer Jili Jandali Otsa Wang Sakhawai AND and authorities ti Pohaira Ladluida Ajiwi Khamataiya Paobing ITB being protest salui haira atumni thakta shim hanung sakhavai demand sahira Ukhrul District li khuiru phanit enang soda honey production expo rongmi khawai ngaran haira Ajewi pau hilinga chang haira pau ngana da thaina thum sai korali ringapha kala kham hai zimik shong sa serani